In today's video, I will be showing you all the products that I've been obsessed with for September. So let's go ahead and get started. Been loving this Aromas palette. This is beautiful. A lot of you guys have seen the tutorial that I did using this, swatching this, and a lot of people love it. You can get it at Amazon. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Huda Beauty palette. It's so gorgeous. Look at the shades, the pigmentation. There's barely any fallout. It's just such a beautiful palette. Definitely recommend for you to try if you love shades like this. Definitely check it out. Works like a dream. I just have to mention it because this one is a must. The next thing I want to mention is a foundation. Now, you know, this month so many foundations have come out. Like, every brand has been coming out with a new foundation. Now, this one is not specifically like brand new. It has been like a must for me because its full coverage is matte, and I did do a makeup tutorial showing you what this looks like. This is the Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Longwear High Cover Foundation, and it also has SPF 25. If you don't like a matte formula, I believe this does come like in a luminous formula. Check it out. This I don't think is like super matte that feels uncomfortable on the face. I don't feel like you will look cakey. It looks gorgeous on the face. So definitely look at the tutorial if you've been thinking about getting this. And this, I got it in the shade 3.5. I could go a little lighter, but check out the video so you can see exactly how it looks. I got it on the sale, of course, because this is like, I think it's like in the 60s. It's pretty pricey. I also have another palette. This one is from BH Cosmetics. I have reviewed this, swatched this, showed you like a demo trying all these shades. This is a face palette, and this is the BH Cosmetics Blushing in Bali 6-color blush and highlighter palette. I'm personally obsessed with like face palettes. This is my favorite. I love palettes more like individual things. So if there's a palette that has a lot of shades that you love, that is a must. These are the blushes, these are the highlighters. Of course, you can use this like on the eyes too. Just be careful. I like to play around. Like, if I know that I can't use it like on my face, I will try to put it on my eyes for a highlight, a beautiful highlight. But this color, this is my favorite blush color because it's a beautiful peach, and that's my favorite kind of blush, a peach. But all of these look beautiful for like a lot of different skin tones. Definitely check out that video where I'm trying this on and swatching. Again, you can just go to my channel and put in Blushing in Bali or BH Cosmetics. You can check the description for the face palettes playlist. I have reviewed several from the drugstore and also high-end. I have a liquid lipstick from the brand Collab. This is a brand you can get in Sally's Beauty, and this is a matte liquid formula. It's so beautiful. Can we look at the packaging? Like, this packaging is to die for. The ombre effect, oh my god, if you're like into packaging like me, this definitely is a beautiful color. Now that fall is coming here in New York, oh my god, for winter, for fall, or whenever you like it, this is just such a beautiful shade. I also have this same one in red. You can see what that looks like in a video that I did trying on like a bunch of different red lipsticks, high-end and drugstore. I did a video like trying on like several, maybe 10 different red lipsticks. If you're looking for a red lipsticks, definitely check it out. Ever around a Sally's Beauty, check out this brand Collab. They have a lot of nice things. I have to mention this L'Oreal Voluminous Base. This is a lash primer. You put this before you apply your mascara, and it's just gonna help your lashes look more voluminous. Just so pretty. There's definitely some pros and cons to this, but the day I wore this, I tried it once for work. One asked me that same day, they said, "Do you have falsies on?" And I was like, oh, I know what that is. Give it a try. You're supposed to apply it, and before it dries, go ahead with your normal mascara and put that on top, and it'll just give you like a fuller coat. I do plan to do a comparison video of like this one from L'Oreal and one that I got from Lancome, so you can see on each eye like the difference of drugstore and high-end. Definitely some pros and cons to this, which I want to talk about. Let me know if you're interested in seeing that video. I'm obsessed with lashes, so I like to see anything to do with lashes. I do have to mention this Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. This is to put before your eyeshadow, and this is gonna make the color pop. It's gonna make your shadow last all day. It's not gonna fade if you have like oily eyelids like me, or if it's a summer day, or whatever the case is. This is beautiful. And they actually do have like a mini version, and it costs like $13. Not bad. I ran out of my like Urban Decay one, so it was perfect timing on Anastasia. And this not only makes your eyeshadow look perfect, but I think some people are comparing it to like the P. Louise one, which I personally have never tried, but it's beautiful. It has like a tint to it like white, so it helps conceal like if you have redness, if you have maybe some veins, whatever you want. It just is beautiful. I just love it. Love, 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 love. It feels so good. Couldn't be happier. Definitely give it a try. I know not everybody like primes their eyelids. Some people just use maybe concealer, whatever works for you, but just in case you do like eyeshadow primers, give that one a try. I have to mention this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This is oil free. You know I love oil free. I'm super oily. It smells delicious. It smells like watermelon. Check out this bottle. It's just absolutely beautiful. I do want to do like a separate video reviewing this because I have some things to tell you, how it works on oily skin and everything. But I love to put this at night for my skincare when I take off all my makeup, and when I wake up my skin feels so nice, and I love that it's oil free. If you love oil free skincare also, definitely check out all the skincare reviews that I have done, moisturizers, face washes, all of that oil free for oily skin. I'll leave playlists in the description. You can check it out. I have a lot of videos for oily skin. I just love to put it all over. It does not break me out. It does smell like watermelon, which is a plus for me, but if you don't like scented items, this is not for you. I'll do a video telling you why I don't like to put it before makeup for oily skin. Here is the Belief Eye Balm. This is a moisturizing eye balm. It feels so good. It's luxurious. I don't remember if I put it in last month's favorites, but if I did, is because I'm obsessed with it. I have to keep mentioning it. If you love eye creams, I definitely love eye creams. I get creases under my eyes. I always have to be rubbing my eyes to remove my makeup when I'm putting my makeup. Keep that area nice and moisturized. I like to put it at night. Also put it in the daytime. I put it at night with my skincare. It's super thick. It doesn't feel oily. Definitely recommend using an eye cream in your skincare routine. This video, thumbs up if you enjoyed. Let me know what have you been enjoying this month. Please share in the comments below. I would love to hear. Subscribe, click the little notification bell. That way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.